XCN is about to reach really important bullish order block area. And me personally, I want to take advantage of this and I want to open here a trading position. So in this video, I will reveal the exact trading position that I'm planning to take, of course, if certain conditions are met. And also I will tell you what I think is the exact price this coin is gonna hit in the upcoming weeks or months. So if you are interested, definitely watch this video till the end, because if you are a fan of this coin or if you simply want to know about interesting potential trading position, this video is definitely for you. Let's start today's analysis on a daily time frame. Here you can see we are testing for several weeks this bullish order block area, which is, by the way, between level 0.0454 and 0.0415. And for me, this is like the most important support, but I don't want to take here a long position like right now. But before that, I simply want to see here a liquidity grab under with a support confirmation, because you can see historically we are simply forming here like a lower lows, and let's say almost every time after important liquidity grab, which will be definitely this scenario, we are having here like very interesting pump. So for example, after liquidity grab here, we had here an insane pump. The same happened here, the same happened here. Also here, this was like an important liquidity grab under like this previous important lows. So in my opinion, if there will be this liquidity grab with the support confirmation of this area, we can actually aim here for some potential trading position. The exact potential trade I will definitely tell you later in this video, so I will reveal my exact entry, exact stop loss, take profit targets, etc. But so also I will let you know about the important resistances that I'm currently watching here, because we are having here like these 4 bearish order block areas, and in my opinion we can actually use these areas as a potential take profit targets, because right now we are simply trading this range between like this bearish and this bullish order block area. This bearish order block area is between level 0.0133 and 0.0113. Here, this is simply a range which is having around like 200% of a net market. So after there will be like a liquidity grab with a support confirmation, we can simply speculate to like this bearish order block. And if you, for example, want to know about all the coins that I'm currently watching, definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing setups like this every single day. It's completely free, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's now take a quick look on a weekly time frame. Here you can see we are in the massive downtrend from this high to this low. We are currently down around like 91% over net market. But in my opinion, the potential long positions that we can actually open here are kinda insane, because again, on a weekly time frame, we want to see here an important liquidity grab under all of these previous important lows, and on a weekly time frame, it is, if this will happen, your main target is this bearish order block, which is giving you from a current level potential profit around like 260 to like 334% of a net market. But let's now take a look on some, let's say, long-term price prediction. In my opinion, if the alt season will continue, and I think that this bear market will not be, let's say, that long as let's say almost everybody is expecting, I think that we will be on like higher levels pretty quick, and I think that this coin is gonna break this previous high, which is from a current level potential move around like almost 1000% of a net market. And right now, if we are gonna actually see here this important liquidity grab with a support confirmation, I will be probably taking here a long position to my spot portfolio. This is not gonna be like a large long position. I will, let's say, open here around like 1-2% of my spot portfolio, something like that. But still, the potential profit here is like absolutely insane. And even if we are gonna hit like, for example, $0.1 mark, this will be from a current level potential profit around like almost 2200% of a net market. So of course, there is like not that high probability that eventually we are gonna hit this area, but I think that there is, for example, higher probability that like 10%, which is forming from this trading scenario, absolutely insane potential trading setup. Because if, in my opinion, we are having like 10% that we are gonna hit the $0.1 mark, and the potential profit is like 20x, this is, in my opinion, like absolutely no brainer. And again, guys, if you will decide to open here a long position after it liquidated grab and then a support confirmation to your long-term portfolio as well, do not risk here large percentage of your trading capital. As I said, I will be risking here maximum like 1 to 2% of my spot portfolio. So 98% I will have in completely different coins, but still this is in my opinion really great potential trading setup. And again, if you want to know about all the coins that I'm watching, link to join to my Discord is in the description or in the comments. Another reason why I think altcoins can be actually very interesting buying opportunity is the total 2 chart, because here we are retesting this very important support area, which is basically like between level 942 and let's say 781. This is like super important support that we are currently having here for about 735 days, something like that. So if you are, for example, thinking about opening a long position on like almost any altcoin, of course, you need to study this coin fundamentally, because in your spot portfolio, you need to buy coins based on your fundamental analysis. Then this is definitely very interesting buying opportunity. My main target, if the alt season will continue, is level 3.5, which will be from a current level potential move around like 270% of a net market. Of course, not all of the altcoins will actually do such a big move like this, but in my opinion, the smaller altcoins or like the smaller caps will actually do much more. So if this chart will actually hit 3.5, I think XCN can actually hit that $0.1. So this whole area on a total 2 chart can be pretty interesting buying opportunity. But let's now get back to the technical analysis, because here we need to see this weekly candle close above this yellow line, so above the level 943. And if this weekly candle will close above, then I think we are gonna go up, because we are breaking this structure of negative weekly candles. Of course, we also want to see here a support confirmation. For this, you can, for example, wait on a daily time frame, and also we are having here this bearish order block. So if on a daily time frame we are gonna see here breakout and then a support confirmation of the level, let's say 999, 1000, something like that, then I'm expecting here an altcoin move around like 29% of a net market. So with my trading position, I am actually right now waiting either for a breakout and then a support confirmation of this bearish order block, or another drop to like a lower levels, because in this yellow line I simply want to take larger amount of a long trading positions on interesting altcoins that I am watching. I will take a look on the exact trading position that I'm planning to take on this coin in a moment, but let's now get a quick stop on a coin market cap, because this is another reason why I think this coin is gonna go up in the upcoming months, and that's simply the community sentiment. You can see we are having here around like 123k votes, which is like super good for an altcoin that is in like 145 coin market cap position. This is like super good, and also I can see it on the views on my videos about this coin, because like this coin is in my opinion really popular. And again, once the real alt season will start and people will start to get in again to, let's say, some more risky assets, I think this coin can do pretty good move. So this is another reason why I am thinking about adding this coin to my spot portfolio. And let's now take a look on the exact trading position. As you probably know from the first part of this video, my exact trading position will be on a daily time frame. So entry in this case will be in this bullish order block area, which is for the recap between level 0.0451 and 0.0417. But before I want to take here a long position, I simply want to see here a liquidity grab under all of these previous important lows, which means under the level 0.04139. You can see, if you will take a look on the liquidity heat map, you can see that in this whole bullish order block area there is like really big volume compared, for example, to like current levels, or like really big potential liquidations. So if we are gonna take them, there will be a support confirmation, we can actually take here a long position. Stop loss in this case you simply want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, so I assume stop loss will be around 11.5% of a net market. The main reason why you simply don't want to buy the breakdown or like a fake out itself is that after we will take important liquidity under all of these previous important lows, there is actually higher probability that we will go on like even lower levels. So the main thing that you want to see here is simply an increased bullish volume and then a support confirmation if this in this area. If this will happen, this is like perfect condition. I want to take here a long position. Last take profit targets I want to place above this bearish order block, so above the level 0.0133, which is giving me a potential profit around like 212% over net market. The main reason why I can place it like above this area is that we already tested like this bearish order block. So yeah, I simply want to wait here for that liquidity grab. And if you want to know, let's say, my strategy about the order blocks in more detail, previous week I actually made videos about order blocks, so definitely check it out. In this trade, your risk reward ratio is around 18.4, which is like super insane. But keep in mind that in a trade like this, you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to take, let's say, under this first bearish order block. This area is between level 0.0599 and 0.0525. Then some of the profits in this next bearish order blocks. These areas are actually pretty insane for taking multiple take profit targets. This area is between level 0.00772 and 638, then 999 and 864, and then last take profit target is 0.0133 and 0.0113. So yeah guys, this is like the complete trading setup. Again, if you want to be part of my trading community, because for example you don't want to watch these charts on your own, don't forget to join my Discord trading group. I'm sharing there those setups every single day. If you are asking if it's like a good opportunity to take a long position right now, then in my opinion, no, because simply right now you need to place your stop loss just under this bullish order block. So your stop loss will be around like 11% of a net market. And yeah, you can aim here for like this liquidity grab above this bearish order block. So yeah, to be fair, this risk reward ratio is kinda insane, but in my opinion, the probability that we are actually gonna take liquidity under is too big. But if you want to take here, let's say, this more risky trading position, and you will risk, for example, around like 0.5 or like 1% of your trading capital for a trade like this, I think this is also worth of taking. So yeah, if you will take a long position right now, just place your stop loss under the low, under like this previous low, which is level 0.0413. So if there will be like a breakdown and then a resistance confirmation, price will most likely going down. So there is no point of holding this losing position longer than it's necessary. So hey guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Have a great rest of the day, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.